What are two sources of power used to extend and retract landing gear? Electrical, hydraulic. When should landing gear retraction checks be accomplished? Annual inspections. After hard landings. After replacing critical landing gear components. Other type inspections. What is used to inflate an oleo-type landing gear shock strut? Nitrogen, dry air. What is the purpose of the rubber O-ring mounted on the mating surface of the outer wheel half of a split-type wheel? Prevent air leaks. Tubeless tire. What is used in a split wheel assembly to keep the air from leaking out between the wheel halves? O-ring. What must you do before disassembling an oleo strut? Discharge pressure. What are three types of aircraft brake systems? Independent, power boosted, power control. What is the purpose of a shuttle valve in a power control system? Isolates emergency brake system. Closes off hydraulic brake system actuating line to allow emergency fluid to actuate the brakes. Where would you look to find proper tire inflation information? Aircraft Maintenance Manual, Operation Manual. What is the purpose of the main landing gear torque link? Alignment of the landing gear, keeping landing gear aligned. What is the effect of underinflated tires? Uneven wear near the edges of the tread. More likely to creep or split on landing. What is the purpose of a hydraulic shimmy dampener? Prevent nose wheel vibrations. Shimmy during taxi, landing, or takeoff. Prevent nose wheel vibrations. What type of care should be given it to landing gear shock struts? Inspect fluid leakage, proper extension. Wipe down exposed portion of strut piston. Inspect for scoring or corrosion. What type of care should be given it to landing gear shock struts? Inspect fluid leakage, proper extension. Wipe down exposed portion of strut piston. Inspect for scoring or corrosion. What is the purpose of the fusible plug in some aircraft wheels? Prevents tire from blowing. Fusible plug melts at specific temperature to relieve air pressure. Prevents tire from blowing. How should aircraft tires be stored? Cool, dry place, away from chemicals, oil, or sunlight. What is the most important maintenance consideration for aircraft tires? Properly inflated. What safety procedure should be followed when inflating tires in general? Inflated inside of a cage whenever possible. What is the purpose of the anti-skid system? Stop without skidding. What task should be accomplished if the aircraft brakes are spongy? Bleed brakes. What are two methods of bleeding brakes? Gravity, pressure. When inspecting brakes, what do you look for? Leaks, hoses for swelling, cracks, or soft spots. Brake pedals, spongy, excessive travel. Leaks system is pressurized. Brake pedals, spongy actuation, air in the system. Brake pedals, excessive travel, worn linings. Inspect brakes for leaks, hoses for swelling, cracks, soft spots. Brake pedals, spongy actuation, excessive travel.